Hey guys, it's Matt with Leadmate, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your knowledge base. Let's get started. So head over to knowledge base, and within this screen, you'll see all of the cards that you've added. If we want to add a new card, let's click Add New. You can manually add an FAQ card, or you can upload a sheet that's going to have multiple questions and answers on it. Let's manually add a card. So you'll have a question here that your bot may typically get from a homeowner that it's talking to. It could be something like, who is the founder of your company? How many houses have you bought? What year were you founded? Are you BBB accredited? Or anything along those lines. So let's say, who is the founder of your company? We'll say Matt. Confirm. And now your agent will know this question when it's talking to a seller. You can also add multiple rows by uploading a document, download the template. The template is in CSV format, fill the template out and upload it back here, and you'll have all your different cards that are uploaded from that template. If you guys have any questions or need any help setting this up, please message us in the bottom chat. And as always, thank you for being a part of Leadmate.